In this video, I will be covering Windows 10. Here we'll be showing you the start menu. This is the way the new start menu looks. Here you'll find all your application in the All Apps area. And here's the back button to take you back to the menu. Here's the power settings where you can actually put it to sleep, shut down, and restart. Here in the settings area, you'll take you to the where you'll find your system settings, your device settings, your network and internet, your personalization, your accounts, your time language, ease of access, privacy, and update security. For example, here on the system, you will find options for your display settings, your notifications, your apps and features, your multitasking settings, your tablet modes, your power and sleep options, your storage, your offline map, your default apps, and your about. We'll go ahead and click on the gear. It takes us back to our main control panel. Here on the devices, you have the options for your printers and scanners. You'll have options for connected devices, your mouse and touchpads, typing, and autoplay. Going back to the gear again, take us back to control panel. We'll go ahead and click on network and internet. So here we'll be able to see our data usage, our VPN settings, our dial-up, your Ethernet connection stuff, and your proxy settings. So now we'll go back to the gear again to take us back to control panel. Here we'll talk about the personalization. Here you'll be able to change your background, change your colors of your Windows schematics, your lock screen settings, your themes, and your start. Let's go ahead and go back again. We'll talk about the accounts. You'll be able to change your account information, your sign-in options, your work access, where you connect to your domain and other crazy stuff you could do, family and other users. You can sync your settings. Just go back to control panel. You could change your time and language, change your date and time, your region and languages, and your speech settings. Let's go ahead and go back. We'll talk about ease of access, where you could change your narrators, your magnifier, your higher contrast, your closed captions, your keyboard settings, your mouse, and your other options. We'll go ahead and go back again. We'll change to privacy. In the privacy options, you'll have the general, the locations, the camera, the microphone, the speech inking and typing, account information, contacts, calendar, messaging, radios, other devices, feedback diagnostics, and background apps. Just go ahead and go back to control panel again. We'll check to the update and security, where you could do all your Windows updates, recovery, and backup settings. Here is your Windows updates, your Windows Defender, your backups, your recovery, your activation, your for developers. Just go back. That's pretty much your control panel, your settings. Just go ahead and close that. And we'll go back to start. We click on File Explorer, which takes us back to the desktop settings, the actual desktop where all your files will be located, your downloads files, your documents, and your pictures. You can also click on this computer. It takes you straight to my computer settings. So next we'll go in and click on the user account settings at the very top. You click on it, you'll be able to change account settings, lock their account, and sign out. And on the right side of that, here you'll have your metro area. Well, you'll be able to resize icons to different sizing. You could pin new files. You could manage. You could properties. You could turn live tiles off and on. You could pin to taskbars. You could, on the all apps, you could actually right click on a file and pin it to start, and it'll show as pinned. To remove it, you just right click it and you'll be able to unpin from start. So let's go ahead and go back, and we'll talk about these icons here. This is where we store internet, as you could just click on here on the start, all programs, and go to like OneNote. Right click it, pin to start. And also you could do pin to task. As you can see, as I clicked on pin to start, shows up on your start menu here. If you were to click on pin to taskbar, you'll see it at the bottom of the taskbar. To remove stuff from the taskbar, you could right click it and unpin this program from taskbar. Here on the right, you will see the time, the notifications, the speakers, the network, and your extra notification bar. And that's pretty much it. Thank you. And please subscribe with the link below.